she's going to plan.
She's going to have a baby.
I don't think so.
Because
she's
we are
not
not
pregnant.
sure. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. She's going to plan to. Is that right? She's going to plan to
She's
have a
going
baby.
to plan to have a baby, and she's going to plan to go travel to Europe with her husband, and she really wants to buy a new bag. She needs a new bag,
New bag.
she's going to buy a new bag.
Which brand do you like it?
Prada.
Can you need to go to Paris.
Go to our